Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him.
Let me do something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She in that shallow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. For all my new subscribers, thank you so much for being here. My returning subscribers, welcome. Also head over to my Instagram page and follow me at Rochelyn. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these beautiful spring twists that I install myself, and after this tutorial I'm very sure that you'll be able to install them yourselves as well. The hair that I use to achieve this style is called Spring Twist, and it comes in a pack of 3 from a company called Beyond Beauty, which is an Amazon based company who was so nice enough to send me the hair for me to install and review. So here I am doing the review after the installation. Yeah, so this hair, it comes in a pack of 3 and it's in the color T1B27. So it starts with like 1B at the top, a kind of mixture with 1B and some 27 at the top, and then towards the end is mostly 27, which is the blonde color here. This is what the bag looks like that it comes in. Inside the bag it comes with 2 clips, the 3 packs of hair, and jewelry. When I first got the hair, I was a bit concerned that it may not be able to do my entire head, because I know my hair, I have a lot of hair, so that was a bit of concern. But after doing it, as you can see, I have a whole pack left and then a quarter of a pack, so I ended up using like 1 3/4 packs, which is absolutely amazing. I've never used 2 packs of hair to do any style of hair because I have a lot of hair, so that was actually good. When you first get, let me show you exactly what one of the hair looks like. So this is what it looks like out of the pack, and I was concerned that it would have been short, like a really tiny thing, but it stretches, as you can see, it stretches out of frame. And I guess this is why it got its name, because you see it springs. So each pack of hair comes with about 30 hair. I think I counted, the first one had 31 pieces of hair. So if you times that times 3, then I guess it's 93 pieces of hair. And as I said, I only used 1 1/4 pack, so I didn't even use 60 good, you know. So, and I have a lot left. The hair comes in different colors. I know there's a purple, there's a mixture with a different kind of brown, but I chose this one because I've never actually done this kind of look with this kind of blonde before. I've done it in like a weave, but never in like twists or box braids kind of thing. So I was very excited to try it, and it looks natural. It kind of mimics natural hair, because you know our hair naturally shrinks up, so this one has that, you know, that shrinking power, and I'm actually very impressed with it. One thing to note though that I realized when I just pulled it out of the pack and when I would just move it around, it shed. You know, there was a lot of shedding going on, but as soon as it was installed, I have absolutely no shedding going on. So I guess that was just for the initial part, but no, it's good. I'm actually loving it. As I said, it's my first time wearing any hair like this, so I would recommend it again, and I would recommend it to try different colors. I'm gonna leave the company's details in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out and purchase if you wish. Thank you guys so much for being here, and let's get on with the tutorial. Alright guys, so this tutorial is gonna be the most simple tutorial you've ever done, I promise. All it takes is for you just holding the hair just about in the middle, just to even off both ends so that you have it perfect. All right, and then you proceed to plaiting the hair onto your natural hair, as you would if you're doing box braids or faux locks or whatever additional extension that you'd put in your hair. So you're just plaiting it at this point, right? After you've plaited it, let's say about 4 or 5 loops in the plait, Then at that point, you're gonna have, if you look very close, you're gonna have 3 prongs, which is what you use to make the plait. 2 being the extension and 1 being your natural hair. What you're gonna do is split your natural hair into 2, holding one against the left extension and the other against the right extension. And then you're gonna proceed to do a regular 2-strand twist until you get to the end of the hair. It's as simple as that. So you plait the roots and then you twist the rest of it. And as you're done twisting and you release it, it automatically just springs up. You know, that's how it got its name. It's a spring twist. Kind of mimicking how our natural hair would do it. When you're twisting your natural hair and you release it, then it springs up. So it's pretty much the same thing. So yeah, that's basically it. You plait the roots and then you twist the body of the hair until you get to the end. This process took me about 4 hours to complete the entire head. I'm sure if I were doing someone else's hair, it would have been shorter, but because I can't really see the back of my hair, you know, it made it a little harder for me doing my own hair. So about 4 to 4.5 hours it took me, and it was pretty simple, honestly. I watched TV as I did it and I was done in no time. To mention, this hair is super light. It's almost as though nothing is on my head, which is absolutely good. I'm used to wearing faux locks. Faux locks is also light, but it's not as light as this, so I'm happy. Like, it's, you know, I don't want to feel no stress, no heaviness, so I'm actually happy. I hope you guys like it. Look, can you guys see? I hope you guys found this tutorial interesting, and I hope you guys learned from this tutorial, and I hope you'll go ahead and check out the company and tell them I sent you. Like, please do. Thank you so much for being here, and again, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It will truly help me. Please subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and comment below. Let's be friends, let's chat. I'm willing to hear what comments you have, whatever questions you have. You know, I'm always in the comment section, so please do that. Thank you guys again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.